Hi! In front of me is Nokia G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Nokia. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose Security, click on Screen Lock and pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it and then enter it. Now choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!